This site is making instant star payment. You can see their Telegram channel. Take a look here. Countless love proposals. I gave a screenshot here. You will see how to create an account and how to take payment. I'll show you everything when you will click on the link, and the mail and password will be received in this way. You will click on the sign up option by mentioning, however, like your account will not sign up. Take a look at those who are signing up and those who have not yet subscribed to our channel. Those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Here you are, the plan you update. If we mainly have to invest, if you have at the very least, if you activate the plan that is available, then you entirely earn $3 a day. They will give here. I've come here to show you. So the cost of the plan is $12 if you want to buy it. Click on it. After clicking, you click confirm. Then you'll have to do the job to copy this address. Copy, and now you will go to your wallet option. Go to the wallet option and you can translate. You can trade in any home. You have to paste this, which gives you tiers US. You have to deselect and you have to pay $12. So pay $1 fee there. I'm giving it on 13 floors, and if you click on the option, it will be drawn. So I've already taken it. I'm showing you to see that there is PAN number 1, but we activated. Seen. Now I can earn $3 a day profit from here. I'll be able to earn from here a total of $30 profit. I can earn from here by writing a referral. You can see that I just referred someone, and you can earn from here in exchange for each referral. If you click on the contact option, then you can go to their Telegram channel. From their Telegram channel, you can get various information from here. You can see, and your loves will be here. Can you click on the task option? There is a task here. Clicking on the to complete option, can you see it? It's a complete one here. It has been completed now, but the next task, after 24 hours, you can claim I withdraw. Clicking to see if there is a minimum of $3. From here, you can take the payment. So I am my, and in one day it is possible. So you can see here, there are 2 taxes here. I am clicking here. Another tax. I am showing you the total after completing. I have completed. Okay. I created an account yesterday, today's video. Making nearly 2 days have passed. Now I have the total. There is a balance of 12 was that making the total. $6 profit has been made. So here I am, the profit of $6 for taking it. I am again arriving at the house address. I copied the TNC address. I gave the sweater here TNC, and you will give your account password. Who logged in with the password. Confirm with the password. Click option. Wait a bit to see that withdraw, but we have been successful and we unlocked with $12, which was the total, and they have already made $6 instant. But they make the payment, their auto payment. They do not do manual payment, their automatic payment. It is set. You can buy more plans from here if you want. If you buy this plan, you every day 5 will get $15 profit. If you buy this, you will get more profit from here. And there are innumerable plans here. If you buy them, you can earn a good amount of. One such income can be made sitting, absolutely. So you can see there on the website, but you can check that I showed them. You can check the finance record. So this is, I'm depositing, it means it is showing, and here withdraw. I am doing it is showing. So stay well, see the new any. Work with the video. If you work,